Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Garage. This is a side video, not related to the server, because I have this drive that failed in another system. I'm using a, not this one particularly, because this is a 240 gig. I don't know if that's going to show up or not. Not that that's important. Oh yeah, 240 gig. I have one of these 120s in this system downstairs that's from like 10 years ago. That drive failed. I got that one in for an OS. I don't have the other one going yet, so until that, I'm going to put this 1 terabyte. It's a SATA 3, so it's a SATA version 3 6 gig a second drive. It's 1 terabyte, so that'll kind of get me by until I can get the other system up and going. I have this cable, which, if you know much about SATA, if I can do this without blinding, there's a orientation that goes with this. So you kind of see how that's an L. I know it's kind of hard to pick that up, but you get the idea. That's pretty clear. So I'm going to use the other end because I have two red SATA ports. We'll see if I can't bring you guys down in here. So it might be hard to see, but there's these two red ports, and then I'm going to basically orient that L in this direction. I'm going to push it in until it clicks, or push it in until it works. Okay, so that's locked in. I can tug on it a little bit and it's not going anywhere, so that's secure. There we go. So then I'm going to take the other end, obviously, and plug it into the back of the hard drive. And there's no jumper, so it's just going to be what it's going to be. I have it in a different port, so it should just populate in BIOS and in Windows the way it's supposed to. And then from there, all I need to do is plug in power. That's one thing I am kind of attracted to. Oh, I see what I did. That's one thing I'm kind of attracted to with M.2s, is you don't have all these cables and mess. It's just a straightforward. Install. You just put it on the board and you don't have to worry about anything. It's just in a slot instead of having to have power and data and all that stuff, so that's nice. So I will, now that we got that done, I will boot it up. We'll go into BIOS, make sure it's recognizing and everything, and then once we do that, I'll go to Windows and go into Windows, do all the formatting, do all the boring stuff. So I'll at least bring you guys into BIOS, and then we'll end it there. I want to make sure at least it recognizes and sees it as such. And for you, if you're trying it into BIOS, it should either be delete or the F1 key. And for me, it's delete because I used to have an Asus. Oh yeah, see on the post screen. Oh, sorry, you didn't. Yeah, I will do that one more time. Okay, so I'm going to mash the delete key. That's just me hitting my delete key. So as you can see the screen right there, and it might have, you can pause the video or go back and, oh there you go. Okay, so you can pause the video if you want and go back, but yeah, it showed before we even got here, it posted with both drives. So then I believe it's standard CMOS. Going to here, this is all keyboard. Oh, okay. So I will have to figure that out because it should be coming up in my yeah, I will tweak and figure this out, and I'll have a follow-up video, or I'll follow it up in the next video. But yeah, that should come up in my save list. I'm not sure why it didn't, so I will figure that out, and I'll kind of give a brief update in the next video. So thank you for stopping by watching. Appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, because I do have the YouTube live of Ubuntu 20.04 that I did a video on last time. I do have a YouTube live coming up on that. So yeah, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you know when that is coming. I'll give everyone a few minutes to get in, and we'll go from there. So should be fun. So alright, that's it for this one, and yay for some mass storage. So we'll see you in the next one. Thank you, appreciate you, and have an awesome new year. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys. Peace.